9,000 run that back. Ooh, yo.
What's up, y'all? It's Rocky, and I am back with another video. Alright, y'all. I've been gone for a minute, and I'm so sorry. Life was lifing, you feel me? So I had to get it together. I had to get myself together, my thoughts together. I had to revamp everything. No, for real. I really just had to revamp my whole life and do a transition. So, y'all, I came back with a banger, okay? So, I did this for y'all. So, since I did this for y'all might as well go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, and that ring-a-ding-ding. Do you hear me? So, y'all, this is what we doing today. Matter of fact, we just gonna get into the video, because I just got done skating, and I'm hyped, y'all, because my package was here, and we finna open this package. You got it? So we finna get into the video. Alright, y'all. So I got my package. We gotta cover my information, though, because, yeah, people be creepy. So, I got my package, y'all. And the reason I ordered this package is because I see it all the time on Instagram, and I'm like, is it legit? And we finna find out if it's legit. I don't know. Well, I know what I ordered, but I don't know what to expect. I'm excited because, yeah. Them celebrities be lying. Let's start there. So what I ordered was a chain from CharmBox. I know y'all heard of CharmBox or whatever. Y'all had to. It's always on, like, going down my timeline. It's literally always there. And it was a particular one that I saw. It was Ari's. Yeah, it was like an Ari chain or whatever. So I'm like, let's see if it's really legit. So people like me don't waste our money. I'm doing this so y'all can save y'all money, okay? I did this for y'all, okay? So let's see if it's gonna do what it's gonna do. I'm ready. Alright, y'all. A little challenging. Chill. Oh. Ooh, the nails. The receipts in there, so yeah. Y'all wanna see the receipt? It's basically saying what I ordered. I ordered the Glacier Custom Chain, Frosted Chain 16, and it's custom, and I got my name on it. I literally ordered the exact same one. I literally ordered the exact same one that Ari be getting. Okay, y'all. So that in. CharmBox. But is it finna be icy? I'm so scared, y'all, because, you know, they be lying. So it's like, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all see it first. You feel me? So, with y'all. So this is saying Icy Girl, CB Bank of Ice, and there's some jewelry care instructions. We don't care about that. We trying to see what y'all talking about. It came back over here. Anyways, think, yeah. Y'all. We ain't even finna get to the name part yet. It's this was doing it for me. Like, it's giving I wanted out a quarter machine. Like, it's like really, really flimsy. It's just, I done tangled it up, y'all. So sorry. Yeah. It entangled up. How you open it? They lied. Online they be looking so good. Y'all. Like, you see this? And then the back of it, my nail can go through it. Like, I'm shook. Is this plastic? Y'all, it's plastic. Y'all, this look right here. It's plastic. Now, they knew they could have put some glass diamonds into this thing, okay? I feel like if it was diamond, y'all, it'd be like, yeah, I'm about to... But no. I put plastic. This ain't how our chain looks. And Jada Waiter. Y'all some... Ooh. Ooh. See, that's why you can't be listening to them celebrities. How much y'all get paid to promote? Because you know what? Y'all, this is the best chain ever. I think everybody should go ahead and buy it. Because you know what? I went swim with the homegirls. Everybody else chain was turning their neck green. You know what? My chain stayed excellent. You feel me? I sell this chain, okay? But I need to get paid what they get paid. This. I'm ready. We're going to come back to that later. What they do? Melt it in here? Yeah. Dang. Chop. Bro. You can't be doing this stuff with some nails now. Cause y'all, what? They melted on here? I don't want y'all read my messages. Okay, y'all, I got it. Bruh. That's what I'm talking about. This is cute. Okay. This is cute. It's really thick. It's not flimsy. And they put glass diamonds. Like this is giving. They know they wrong. This literally came out the candy machine. This, they probably really did take their time on. But y'all, yeah, I really actually, I mess with this. I can definitely say, y'all, this is cute. But this right here is giving, honestly, y'all, just from as of right now, don't shop at CharmBox. CharmBox is a liar. Celebrities be lying too. Don't shop at CharmBox. This, like, I'm so happy I did this for y'all because this is really saying, like, if you can't afford it, don't get it. It's just that simple. If you cannot afford it, don't get it, because you're going to be looking stupid like I did, like I am. Because you know what? We finna see what it look like on. we finna... Y'all, it sound fake. Alright, how you do this? I don't know. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to tell my sister to put the chain on because, y'all, it just wasn't working out for me. Probably because of my nails. But that's besides the point. So, this the far back with the fit. No, okay, so, but y'all, this is what it's giving. It just, no. But we can say, though, my braces shinier than the chain. Maybe I should put some Vaseline on to be like, matter of fact, what a box. Yeah, y'all, CharmBoxCo is definitely like a 2 out of 12 for me. Definitely an F in my book, because like I said earlier, the chain is flimsy. It's not giving. I give him a 2 because it's cute, and I actually do like the nameplate, so I'll get him that. But y'all, let's be real, highly unrecommended. If you can't afford it, don't get it, because we needed a real review. So I did this for y'all because celebrities be lying. Let's be real. We needed a civilian like me. Because one thing about it, I'm going to test it out. And I'm going to tell somebody about it, okay? But y'all, whatever. Go spend your money. Don't spend your money. I don't care. But you know what? Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will catch you guys on the flip side.